We're a demolition company out of Austin, Texas. We do mass excavation, demolition, site work, and utilities. I'm the yard manager at Venditti. I take care of all the operations happening here at the yard and going out. We have 15 excavators, 7 dozers, and numerous support pieces of equipment. We burn about 1,200 gallons of fuel every day. We have to have support equipment in order for our jobs to stay running all the time. We work 7 days a week, so we have to make sure that our uptime isn't affected at all.
So I'm the fuel service operator for this fuel truck. You see right behind us, has pretty much everything we need. It's pretty much important for the whole row of this company, you know. I'm the one that pulls up to job sites and make sure all the machines are being able to be serviced, you know, from grease to diesel to blown out filters, anything like that, checking oil, have it, you know, if I need it, coolant as well. I can get up easily to the machines, bring it in, I'm able to just do what I need to do, you know. Yeah, it's pretty easy to be in and out. Like I said, if I need to get diesel up there pretty fast, I'm able to exit pretty fast. The hose come out smooth. I need to go from maybe 10, 20, 30 feet. It's able to go with me all the way, you know. So I never have no problem with it. Seeing this vehicle, you might think it's pretty big, and I do, you know, I have to operate with safety precautions, but I mean, in and out of jobs is pretty easy. There's bigger fuel trucks, you know, and those are limited into access, you know, but this one I can get up into neighborhoods, bigger job sites, tight walkways. If it's a bigger truck, we wouldn't be able to get into these tight spaces, so it's able to just roll in, do its thing, make sure that machines keep running, you know, that's important for the customers of Venditti, and just keep running as a company. One of the things I really like about it is the color coordinating. It's helpful when I have my helper or am working with the operator. I can just point to the color and match everything up so it goes to the right place.
On these demo jobs, they're tight. We do commercial and residential. So getting into a single family home structure, it's hard to get a triaxle truck in there. You know, we can get quads in there, but these triaxle trucks are big. You know, we got low hanging trees. Thunder Creek, I can just back it in under any tree and go to work. It's fantastic. We don't need a CDL driver or a hazmat license to run it. The gallons per minute, you can really deliver some fuel out of the Thunder Creek truck, and we enjoy that because we have a couple of machines that are 400 gallon tanks, and with a transfer pump, you're running to the station back and forth 4 times for one machine. With Thunder Creek product, we can get knocked down 1, and it's fast. Before, we were taking 3 or 4 guys, taking them away from their jobs that they had to do every day to go fill up machines. In this case, I have 1 guy. That's all his job is to do. It relieves a lot of stress on everybody's life, and we need to service them every day. They're working demo, so they're getting beat up. They need to be greased every day. All the filters need to be blown out. And it's good to have one piece of equipment instead of a compressor, a fuel tank on site. It's great to have that to do the whole job. The Thunder Creek product has been very reliable to us. We've had 0 issues. It's fantastic. We cannot have downtime. It's awesome.